Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. So today's lectures we will continue on the 68K instruction set on the address register indirect. Okay. So address register indirect is the address register hold the address of the memory location that contain the operand data. Okay. So the assembler will recognize the address mode whenever the address register is surrounded by parentheses. Okay, so this provides an efficient method of accessing data. Okay, let's see example. So address register indirect or short name is ARI. Okay, so move.b content of a address register 0 A0 move to D7 the with bit byte move dot byte. Okay, meaning that 2 bit only. 2 bit will be moved content in address A0 byte byte word byte format will be moved to the D7. Okay, so previously A0 is has address of 0007F01, so sign represent hexa. So D7 is sign dollar 1 through 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 FEDC. Okay, so the content of A0, okay, the content of A0 is you need to see from this memory map 750 7500 is 13, 7501 is AA. Okay, so transfer byte into D7 so that after the execution the value will be 1 2 3 4 FE. The DC, okay, the byte size will be replaced by AA. Okay, AO maintain the same value. Okay, same value. And then so after that what is the content of 7F00? It is still the same, 13. Okay, 13 AA 56 FA. So because the changes in is on D7, it's not on address register. This is the address register from 7F to 7F03. Okay. Okay, let's see the simulation. Okay, try to check test on the simulation whether it's correct or wrong. Okay, this is how we set. D7 is 1 2 3 4 FEDC. Okay, move dot L 1 2 3 4 FEDC D7. Okay, for AO 0007F01. This is long word form size 0007F01. Move to A0. So this is basically you want to set value on D7 and A0. Okay, and then the instruction is move content of A0 to D7. Move dot byte content of A0 to D7. Okay, let's try to execute. Okay, execute, no error. Okay, so we try to execute to trace line by line. Okay, first is we expect D7 to change. So D7 1 2 3 4 FEDC. Okay, D7 1 2 3 4 FEDC. And then A0 00077501. Okay, A0, and then A0, the content of 0 with byte size move to D7. Okay, we will expect the D7 of byte size, the DC will be changed. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 FEAA. Okay, so okay, another one. Oh, I forgot to explain about the uh how to set the value of the address memory, address register 7501. So you need to set here origin address 7F00, and then you just follow the setting here. Before is 13AA 7F00, 7F01, 7F02, 7F03, 13AA 56FA. Okay, so 13 dc.long, because it is 8 byte, 13 AA 56FA. So how you want to see the content of address on the memory of 7500, you need to view the memory. Okay, 7F, change here, need to change here, 7F. Okay, then you can see 13 AA 56 FA. So this is the content of the address location 7500 13 AA 56 FA. Okay, next we try to change a bit the memory. This one move dot long 1 2 3 4 FEDC, we store in D6, and then we try to change a bit to 7502. Okay, move dot long the value of the address hexa address 7502 to A1. Okay, and then the value of word size of the content in A1 move to D6. Okay, we try to execute. Okay, so we can see D6 here. 1 2 3 4 FEDC, 1 2 3 4 FEDC, and then A1 execute 7F02, 7F02. Okay, and then last execution. Okay, so you cannot see the changes on A1, but you need to see in D6, D6 FA. Okay, FA. So why change it? Why the value of the word size change to 56 FA? Because you need to see the content inside the address inside the memory of 7500. Okay, view memory 7502. Okay, so this one 7500 0102. So the content of inside the memory address 7500 is 7502, refer to this one 56 FA. So the word size of the content inside the memory A1, which is 56 FA, will be replaced in the value of data register D6. D6, this one D6. That's why the lower word size of D6 change into 56 FA. Okay, so this is how you try to understand the slide. You try to understand the theory first, and then you try to simulate using the software. Okay, let's proceed to the next slide. Okay, so address rate. Okay, this is the explanation. 7501. There is a value hexa AA, and then the instruction is move.b. So it replace the new D7 with AA on the last 2 bit. Okay. Okay. So next is address register indirect move dot words D4 to content of A6. Okay, so the action is the lower order word of D4 is copied into the memory location pointed by A6. Okay, so D4 before the execution, the value is 1234 EE22. Okay, so the A6 content is at address at memory of 005002. Okay, in address location 5002, it has DD. This one, because it is dot word, you need to if 5002, you need to start setting it from 5000, 5000, 5001, 5002, and 5003. Okay, so the value of uh, content inside the address location 5002 is DD and AA. Okay, so what is what the value of the word size of D4? It is EE22. So EE22 replace the value of the lower word size of A6. Okay, so the content is EE22. So replace this one EE22, replace the 5002 and 5003 address location EE22. Okay, but for D4 and A6, there are no changes. Okay, but the content inside the address 5002, there is changes. Okay, so let's see the simulation. Okay, actually I have written the coding earlier so that the lecture will not consume too much time. So it is like slide 45. Okay, so just follow the setting. Okay, D4 1 2 3 4 EE22. D move.l, D4 is 1 2 3 4 E22, and then A6 005002. Move.l, A6 is 005002, and then you need to set the content inside the address location 5002. So origin 5000. Okay, remember you need to for move.long for 5002, it start from 5000, 5000, 5001, 5002, 5003. Okay, so the content of address 5000 is 14 EF DDAA. 14 EF DDAA. Okay, this is the content inside the memory location 5002. And then the instruction is move.w D4A6. Move.w D4A6. Okay, so let's execute. Okay, so we will for the first line we will expect D4 to change. Okay, 1 2 3 4 EE22, 1 2 3 4 EE22, and then A6 000 5002, 002 5002, and then okay, this one you cannot see from the value of data register 0, data register 4, and address register 6. Okay, but you need to view in memory. Okay, you set it the address to 5000. Okay, so you can see here that the value of the address register 5002 is EE22. Okay, previously we set it at 5002 is DDAA, but after execution of the move word D4 to the content of address location 6, which is 5002. It has changed into EE22. Okay, so I think we have to repeat this one. Okay, need to repeat. To see the changes of the content inside the address location. Okay, so first we view the memory. So as we can see there, the value 14 EFDDAA. This one you set here, dc.long 14 EFDDAA. 14 EFDDAA. Okay, and then the other line is just setting the value of D4 and A6, D4 and A6, and then for the move dot word D4 transfer to the content of A6 in the word size. So you need to see from the memory. So here you can see the value of previously is DDAA has changed into EE22 because this one EE22, the word size of the data register 4 is EE22. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. So this is the explanation. Okay, same as what I have explained previously. Okay, if you cannot is hard, if you had to understand from this uh, explanation, you can further study this slide to understand how the data move around. Okay, okay, next is address. Okay, address is the indirect with post increment. Okay, this is also very important. So it is work as the same way as previous ARI, except that the address register is incremented after the data transfer is accomplished. Okay, so meaning that the address register, okay, the address register meaning the, for example, this one 5000, 5001, 5002, 5003. This is address register. Okay, uh, the address register is incremented after the data transfer. Okay, so how many incremented value? So depend on the word of the size of the data. Okay, if the instruction is dot byte, so it has to be increment by 1. If word, increment by 2. If long word, increment by 4. Okay, symbol use is AN bracket plus. Okay, so let's see the example. So the instruction is move.l A0 bracket A0 plus D3. Okay, the content of memory location pointed by A0 is copied to D3. Okay, content of the A0 copied to D3. The content of the A0 are then increased by 4. Okay, so the A0, the one is, this one is the source, this one is destination. Okay, the content of A0 is direct forward because it is move.l, so it has to be increased by 4. So previously it is 0007F00, increased by 4, so it becomes 00007504. Okay, and then from 7500, okay, previously inside the address location 750, the value is AABBCCDD. Okay, okay, then after the execution, what happened? So move dot long. Okay, A0 plus. So the content will be no different. Okay, the content will be no different. AA, BB, CC, DD will be no different. After the execution also, the value will be AA, BB, CC, DD. Okay, but the D3, okay, D3, okay, will follow the address location of the content inside 7500. AA, BB, CC, DD. So you can see here that the D3 become hexa value AA, BB, CC, DD, while the source A0 will be increased by 4. Okay, so let's try to simulate. Okay. Okay, this is a setting. Okay, D3 for A4F. Okay, for A4F, and then A0 7500, A0 7500, and then you need to set the content inside the address location 7500 7500. The content is AA, BB, CC, DD. AA, BB, CC, DD. And then the instruction is move.long A0 plus comma D3. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, so first is we have to see the value inside the memory 7500. Okay, 7500, change here 7, oh not 75, 7F00. Okay, so the content is AA, BB, CC, DD. So AA, BB, CC, DD. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. AA, BB, CC, DD. AA, BB, CC, DD. Okay, then next execution for D3. So we expect D3 will change. So D3 will change into the value for A4F. And then A0 7F00. Okay, change to 7F00. Okay, this one you have to expect that the value of D3 will change according to the value of the 7500 until 7504. So why? It will take the value of from 7F00 to 7F04 because it is move.long. So move.long there have to be 8-bit. Okay, so try to execute. Okay, view the memory. Okay, the content inside the 750 will maintain AA, BB, CC, DD. Okay, but the content of the data registry will copy the value of 7500 to 7503 AA, BB, CC, DD, so that the value of D3 will become AA, BB, CC, DD. Okay. Okay, so in order to make you easy to understand, you need to execute the instruction line by line, and you try to understand the movement of the data. Okay, so next is okay, we try to speed up a bit. Okay, so this one is another type of explanation. You can also try to understand using this slide. Okay, next is address indirect ARI with post increment. Okay, this one is vice versa from this one. This one from the address location to data register. Okay, A0. This one from data register to memory location to A6. So the concept is about the same. Okay, so move dot words. Move dot meaning the lower order word. Lower order word of D4 is copied into the memory location pointed by A6. And then the content of A6 are then increased by 2. Because dot word. Okay, dot word increased by 2. Previously, dot long increased by 4. So you need to follow this rule. If dot byte increase by 1, if word increase by 2, if long word increase by 4. Okay, so before the content of D4 is 55446677. Okay, let's directly see uh, the simulation. 50. Okay, previously it is 55446677, so you need to set here. Move the L 55446677 to D4, and then A6 0005002. So A6 0005002 A6, and then you need to set the content inside the memory location 5000 to 5003. So it is AA, BB, CC, DD. AA, BB, CC, DD. So it is the content inside the memory location 5000. Okay, and then the instruction is move dot words D4 to A6 plus. Okay, so the A6 plus is is the word size, lower order words, which is CCDD. So CCDD is from 5002 to 5003. Okay, so uh, to A6 plus, so the move is from D4 to A6 plus. So D4 lower order words value is 6677. So that's why it will replace the value of the A6 at memory location of 5002 to 5003, which is 6677. Okay, and the address register itself will increase by 2. Increase by 2, 5004. Okay, for this different from the previous slide. It is increased by 4 because it is moved dot long. So 7500 increased to 7504. But this one 75 not 75 5002 dot word. So meaning it has to increase by 2. So 5004. Okay, so let's see let's try to execute. Okay, so view the memory first. At memory quotient of 5000 is AABBCCDD. AABBCCDD. Okay, so next execution D4 and A6 will change. D4 will change to this value. Okay, A6 will be changed into this value, and then D4 to A6 plus. So we will expect the value of A6 will be changed. Okay, from previously it is 5002, so it will change it to 5004. Okay, the value of D4 will not change. Okay, let's see the value of content inside the 5002. Okay, 5002 also will change to 6677 because the lower word order of the D4 is 6677, so it will change here also. 5002 to 5003 will change to 6677. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Okay, this is the explanation. Okay, try to proceed. Okay, this one address register indirect with pre-decrement. Okay, the previous instruction is post decrement, meaning that uh, meaning that it is increment after the data transfer. Okay, for pre-increment, okay, the address register is decremented before the data transfer. So the memory location will be decreased first, then it will be transferred into the data register or at any other place. Okay, so same as the post increment, byte decrement by 1, word decrement by 2, long word decrement by 4. Okay, the symbol is minus parenthesis an. Okay, so this one move dot long. My dot long meaning you has to decrease by 4. The content of A1 are first decremented by 4. So uh this is quite direct, eh? So for 2000, the A1 will be decreased by 4. So 4200 hexa minus 4. So you need to use the calculator. Okay, base hexa 4200 minus 4. So 41 FC. So the value is from 41 FC until 4200. This is the content inside the memory location. So obviously after the execution, A2, A1 will become 4200 will change into 41 FC because it has to minus 4 hexa. Okay, but for 1 FC, what is the content inside the 41 FC? It is 2233 dot long. You need to have 8 bit 22334445. Okay, so it will definitely before and after the content will be the same 22334455, but after execution D2 will change according to the content inside the memory location, which is 22334455. 22334455. So from this value to this value. Okay. So let's try to see the simulation. 53. Okay, this one. Normal setting. Okay, follow the example. Okay, D2 1357. Okay, D2 1357. A1 4200. A1 move dot long 4200 to A1. And then okay, this one to set the origin of the data inside the memory location, you need to calculate a bit because the original address is 4400 for 4200. So you need to calculate 4200 minus 4. So you will get 41 FC because in the setting you need to set the origin address to 41 FC. Okay, 41 FC, the location, the value is 22334455. 22334455. And this is the pre-decrement operand. Okay, so let's try to execute. Okay, no error. Okay, so view the memory first at location of 41 FC. Okay, 41 F0. Okay, it cannot set to 41 F0 FC, but you have to see here C. 41 FC is here. So you have set 22334455. So 2233 4455. Okay, and then try to execute. D2 will change to this value. Okay, and then A1 will change 4400. Okay, this one we expect the value inside the 41FC, which is 22334455, will be substitute into the value of D2. Previously D2 is this one, 1357, and then it will change it to 22334455. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, next. So this is you can also understand from this slide. Okay, this one is vice versa. This one is from memory location to D2. This one is from data register to the memory location. Okay, let's directly see what happened in the simulation, in the software. Okay, this one. So this is dot word. So meaning that the decrement is 2. Dot word decrement is 2. Content of SCR first decrement by 2. The lower order word of D4, lower order D4 is for word size it is 9BCE. Is copied into memory location pointed by A6. Okay. So as previous slide, the address location need to be decreased. 4200 minus 4, same as this one. 4200 minus 4 is, oh, this one is word, so minus 2. 4200 minus 2. 41FE. So it start from 41FE. Okay, the value previously is 22334455. Okay, and then after the execution, it is expected that the value of the address location 41FE will change into the lower word size of the D4, which is 9BCE. 9BCE will be replace the original value here, 9BCE. Okay, and as well as the value of D4 change into it will not change of the value of D4 because it is a source. Okay, but the content inside D4 inside the A6 will change into 9BCE. Okay, D4 maintain. Okay, but the A6 will have to decrease by 2. 4200 minus 2 become 41FE, as well as the value of 41FE will be changed with the lower word size of the D4, 9BCE. Okay, so let's try to simulate. Okay, this one I hope I have shown to you on the previous slide. So I hope this one you will not have an issue to understand how to program, how to set the value inside D4, ASIC, and the value content inside the address location. Okay, 41FE is 4455. 41FE is previously it is 4455. Okay, so execute. Okay, so see the memory first. 41FE, 41FE. Okay, 41FE is here. E is 41, FE is 4455. So 4455. Okay, next is D4, change to this value. Okay, A6 will change into this value 4200. Okay, and then lastly, the value of content inside A6 will change. Okay, D4 and A6 A6 also will change, decrease by 2. Okay, for 1 FE because 4200 minus 2. Okay, let's see the changes in the memory location. So it has changed to 9BCE. 9BCE. Okay, view memory. The 41FE has changed into 9BCE. Okay, 9BCE. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So with displacement, we will not cover on this one. Okay. Okay, you have to try this exercise to test your understanding. Okay. There is several question. A, there is sub question of 3. Question number B, sub question of 3. Okay. But this one also will not cover with displacement and index. Okay. Displacement will not covered. Okay. So next is absolute addressing mode. Absolute addressing mode is used to directly access data directly from memory. So this one, you want to directly access data from the memory location. It has two categories: absolute short address, but inside the SIM software EZ68K, there are no such absolute short address instruction. The only instruction have is absolute long address. Okay, there's notes here. In software IDE 68K, absolute addressing mode is considered as absolute long address only. No sign extended occurs. So, we will focus on the absolute long address. Okay, but in terms of the theoretical part for absolute short address, absolute short address, it is similar as what I have explained in the previous video. It involves the sign extended value. Okay. Okay, so I need to code. Okay, this one 7 F00. If you convert to binary, it is 0111. So the MSB is 0. Okay, what happen if the MSB is 0? The upper word will be set to 00. Okay. Okay, for example, this one 8 is 1000 in binary. Okay, if the MSB is 1, so the upper word size will be set to F, and then the address location 8000. Okay. I hope you can understand the sign extender rule. This is exactly what I have explained in the previous video. Okay. So this one move.b, actually we have covered in the previous video. Move.b, move.words. Okay. Okay, for absolute long address also, actually we have tried move.b, move.long, move.word, Okay, move.byte. Okay, you can read again for better understanding. Okay, immediate mode. So immediate mode, sorry, the source is immediate data, constant value. It is used to load constant value into register. Okay, constant value. The value itself load into the register. Okay, such data can be byte, word, long word. Okay, data can be in form of decimal, hexadecimal, binary, octal, and ASCII. Okay, ASCII is you can Google. Okay, ASCII table. Okay, so you can see each ASCII is in the you can make it. For example, my name is Hafiz. So each HAFIZ has the value in this one in decimal, this one in hexa. Okay, so uh, so if Hafiz H is 48 in hexa, 48, 41. Okay, I think this one I have to show lah. Okay, for example, my name is Hafiz. Start thinking. Okay. Okay, this is ASCII format. Okay, you can convert into the hexa value. Okay, for example, hash is what? Hash is 48. Okay, 48. AF, A is 41. F is 46. So 41, 46. Isaac, I 49, 5A. Okay, 49, 5A. So this is the hexa value of the ASCII word Hafiz, Hafiz. So this is the conversion into the hexa value. Okay, so this is about the ASCII format. Okay, proceed. So immediate mode, direct. So the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Move into data register 3. Okay, this also 1, 2, 3, 4. Move to D3. Okay, because it is immediate. Immediate is the load constant value into register. Okay, so this one you can try. Okay, to see for better understanding, better you try in using your software 68K software. But it's directly placing the value inside the data register. Okay, for this one is I've mentioned previously, if percentage it is a binary number. So 10100011 is a binary number. Okay, okay, then quick immediate mode. Okay, similar to the immediate mode, except the only byte values may be specified in the instruction. These byte values are signed extended to 32 bit before use. Okay, so it involves sign extended. and it has to fill up the 32-bit space. Okay. Okay, this one. Move Q to C. So this is the value 2C. The rest is 2C. Okay, this one you need to use the sign extended. Okay, 2 is in binary. The value is 00100. So this is the MSB is 0. That's why the rest upper bit number is 0. 0000. Full up the capacity of 8-bit hexa and 32-bit binary. Okay. So if 8 is in binary is 1000. So because the MSB is 1, so the rest of upper value become FFFF. Okay, this is the sign extended. Okay, so the rule is first you need to follow the sign extended rule. Secondly is that you need to fill up all the 32 bits. Okay, all the 32 bits 32 bits values. Okay, from 0 to the 000, and then depends on the value you want to move to C. This one 8F you need to see the binary form of 8 is 100. If the MSB is 1, so need to fill up the FFFF. Okay, so program counter will not cover on the program counter. Okay, displacement and index also will not cover on it. Okay, clear. Clear is very simple. It just clear the content inside your data register, address register, and so on. Okay, so let's see. Clear B. The value of D0 is AA11 BB12. Okay, but byte, the lower order byte. So previously it is AA11 BB12. So the byte is 12 clear to 0. So it become AA11 BB00. Okay, clear the word content inside the 5002. 5002 is this one. 44 is okay. 5002 is this one 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. So 5002 is 8899. Okay. So previously the value of 5000 is 8899, but clear dot words, so clear it into 00. Okay, clear dot long, definitely all the value will be reset to 0. Okay, so let's see the simulation. Clear. Okay, so execute this one. I hope you can understand how to program it. Okay, just try to understand line by line. Okay, this one you need to see the content inside the address memory 5000. Okay, you can see here 44558899. 44558899. And then this one you will expect D0 will change. D0 AA11 BB12 AA11 BB12. And then if you clear byte, so meaning the 12 will be clear to 0. So it become 00. And then if you want to clear dot word is in 5002. Okay, 5002 is 8899. So you can expect the value inside the 5002 will be 0. This one 502 0000. So it clear to 0. Okay, if clear dot long 5000, definitely all the value will be 0. Okay, view memory 0. Okay, all the content inside the address memory 5000 will clear to 0000. Okay, let's move. Okay, this one is the example. Several example. You can try to study from this slide to for better understanding. Okay, please bear in mind is that clear the clear instruction cannot apply for address register. Okay, only for the data register. Okay, D0 or the direct address location. Okay, content inside the address location, we can apply this instruction. Okay. Okay, but this one cannot. It is illegal operation. If you try to simulate, it will produce error. Okay, this one move. Okay, this one move we have covered previously. Move dot by, move dot word, move dot l. Okay, this one we have covered. Just a repetition. Okay, this one also move address you have covered. It involves sign extended value. Okay, move quick. Okay, I think this one also has been covered. Move dot quick. Okay, I think this one has been covered. So let's see if I have. Sorry. Slide 93. Okay. Okay, this one. Move quick. The rule is sign extended into a full 32-bit value. This one is I have explained previously, but let's see the example. This one is example for move quick the value of hexa F1 to D1. Okay, this is a setting. Follow this by following this slide. F1 D1. Okay, to C D2. Okay, move dot L. So try to execute. Okay, D1 will change into this value 11335557, 11335557, and then move the quick value F1 into D1 dot long. So meaning that it will change this one, the F1 into 7777 will be replaced by F1. The rest will become FFFF. Okay, FFFF1. Okay. So this also I have explained why because it is sign extended. F1 is okay. Remember, sign extended is very important for several operand. F1 is, I think F1 is 1111. I think so. One is MSB is 1. That's why the upper value become FFFF. Okay, and then F1. Okay, like we see in the simulation. Okay, so FFF F1. So let's try to change the value of let's try to move the value of 77AA to D2. Okay, so and then move Q1000 to D2. What happened to D2? Okay, so D2. Okay, this one is Asterisk 1000 is in decimal. 100 is in decimal. Okay, the signage you need to really particular. 100 is, okay, this one calculator is in decimal. 1000. This one 1000 is actually a decimal value. So in hexa it is 68. Okay, so that's why the value changed into 68. Okay, 68, and then the rest is depend on the MSB. So 68, this one similar to hexa value 68. So 6 is 0 1 1 0. So MSB is 0. So the rest of the upper word will substitute by value of 0. So that's why you can see the value become 0000064. Okay. Okay. Next, we proceed. Oh, already 1 hour. Okay, this one will not, move M will not covered in this course. Move M also. So exchange. Okay, next operand is the exchange. It's very quite simple instruction. Two data register, two address register, and address register just exchange the content. Okay, so for example is that this one. Previously D1 is 111222. D2 is 444555. After execute the exchange operand, so just change. Okay, D1 become 444555. D2 become 111222. So this also same A3 and A4. So previously it is 777888. A4 is AAAEEE. So A3 exchange into the value of A4. So A3 become AAAEE. So same goes to the to the D1 AAT, also exchange, just exchange the value. So exchange and then swap. Okay, swap is between exchange the 16-bit word data register. So this is okay. So this one word upper word just exchange. Okay, exchange. So this one go to the at the front BB00. This one go at the end of the 6-bit hexa value. Okay, so also a very simple instruction. Okay, LIA. Okay, LIA is the operation used to load a 24-bit address. Okay, so it just load only 24-bit, meaning 24-bit address is meaning that is 6-bit hexa value. Okay, so let's see the example. So as you can see here that LIA 20001 A naught. So A naught will be substitute with value of with 002001. So this is quite direct. Okay, what happened after the execution of this LIA instruction is quite direct. So this one A1 A0. Okay, so previously load the value of A1 is FF. So FF will be load into the value of A0. Okay, A0. So it will become A0. Previously the value is 001270002. We will substitute with this value. The A1 value content inside the A1 is 0010FFFF. Okay, so as you can see here that the value only involve 6 bit. Okay, this one 6 bit. This also 6 bit. Okay, 6 bit only. 24 bits binary form or 6 bit hexa value. So even if there is a value here, for example AB127002, the AB will be reset to 0 because the function of Lia is just to load a 24-bit address only. Okay, so let's see the simulation of these three: exchange, swap, and Lia. Okay, okay, this one. First, this is based on this slide. 111 222 444 555. Okay, 111. Set the value of D1 111 222. Set the move of the value of D2 is 444 555. Then exchange D1 and D2. Okay, let's try to execute first. Okay. Okay, D1 111 222. D2 444 555. Exchange D1 and D2. So supposedly this one will be exchange. So exchange D1 go value of D1 go to D2, D2 go to D1. And then move address along this one is the I want to execute the instruction Lia. So this just I set a value of the A0. So A0 is 1270002. A1 10FFF. And then Lia move the value of 2001 into A0. Okay, so it moved 20001. And then A1 will move the content of the 10FFFF. 10FFF. Okay, only 6 24-bit involved. Okay, 6 hexa value. Okay, so that's it for the exchange, swap, and Lia. Okay, you can try do this example. Okay, okay, so try also get the machine code from the instruction. Okay, the machine code as I been explained earlier. So it is here. This is machine code 223C 243C. You can get the machine code from this one is L file. Okay, I think that's it for the chapter 3. Thank you very much. A quite long lecture now, 1 hour. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.